Sure. Okay, I'm Chaminda Pandipitiya, working since 2014 in Bangladesh in garment industry, R&D sector. Why I chose BusinessBee after seeing that your advertisement in the Facebook, I feel okay, this is the place because as my colleagues told that online classes, I also attend some other session, it's not live, okay, because when we learn something in the as like software and the things, it should be practical because we all are not expert, okay, we all are trying to start the things from here beginning to develop. In that case, I choose BusinessBee as a place to learn the things with the life. Okay, actually, I'm really thanks to you all organizing this kind of things with the very reasonable price as well as very nice environment altogether. That the way you teach, especially your our teacher is very excellent and talent, and as well as is starting to beginning, he nicely explained all the things. Apart of that, okay, we also have responsibility to learn the things with the different way. Okay, we can use lot of things with the world multimedia, YouTube, even new AI technologies. With that, I'm really suggest, not only even I already suggest to my some colleagues, okay, who are the willing to learn the things. Really thanks, and also we are expecting like this kind of things. If it's possible to develop this course until some another level, it means advanced DAX and with the data learning, machine learning with the Python, all that kind of things. It's a good beginning for us. Thank you very much. Thank you.